Stainless steel is smudge and fingerprint resistant. Zero function for tearing the scale before weighing additional ingredients. Digital screen with large, easy-to-read numbers. Removable platform for convenient cleaning. Pull-out display prevents shadowing from large plates or bowls. Unit conversion button to measure in ounces, pounds, gram or kilogram. Top reviews from the United States. Display visibility is excellent, it's accurate. I got this mainly to weigh coffee. I like the large-scale platform, the capacity. It is very easy to use. The pull-out display feature is great if you're weighing large items. I first saw the scale tested on America's Test Kitchen. It was the winner. It is a bit pricey, but I found everything they said about it to be true.